7 benefits of getting an ATM business mentor. A business mentor is essential for new entrepreneurs, providing valuable experience, advice, and learning from mistakes. Obtaining a mentor with specific industry experience is rare. Number 1. Get answers to your questions. An ATM business mentor offers timely, reliable answers to questions, unlike searching for answers from various sources or relying on busy individuals. They provide tailored solutions, ensuring you don't have to interpret opinions from internet searches or forums. Number 2. Avoid mistakes. An ATM business mentor is essential for ensuring proper questioning and avoiding common mistakes. They provide guidance on what to do and what not to do, saving time, money, and stress, ultimately leading to better business outcomes. Number 3. Get started faster. Starting an ATM business involves paperwork, bank account setup, location, and equipment. Working with an ATM business mentor expedites the process, keeps you accountable, and increases success chances. Number 4. Make more money. Start your business early to start making money and saving money by avoiding mistakes. A smoother business runs, leading to better service, more contracts, and a steady semi-passive income stream. Number 5. Receive ongoing support. An ATM business mentor provides ongoing support, guidance, and decision-making support, ensuring you're not alone during operational times and can adapt to changes in roles or scaling. Number 6. Borrow authority. Aligning with experienced professionals can help overcome imposter syndrome and provide access to knowledge, resources, and networking opportunities, introducing potential clients and partners to your business. Number 7. Scale your business with confidence. An ATM business mentor doesn't just help you start, they guide you in growing and scaling your business strategically. Instead of guessing when to expand or how to optimize your ATM placements, you'll have a clear roadmap to success. They'll help you negotiate better deals, manage cash flow efficiently, and maximize profits, ensuring your business thrives long-term. Summary: a business mentor can accelerate learning, increase success chances, and provide support throughout an entrepreneurial journey. Noah Weeder, a trusted ATM business mentor, offers everything needed to start and receive ongoing support. He is motivated by the growing need for local ATM business owners and operators. Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.